over 60 and finding it harder to stand, climb stairs, or keep your balance? You're not alone after age 60. We lose up to 3% of muscle every year due to a condition called sarcopenia, and it's stealing your strength without warning. But here's the good news. Imagine rebuilding your leg strength and balance with just 3 simple vitamins. No workouts, no therapy. Stay tuned to discover how you can reclaim your independence starting today. Here's something most seniors don't realize. Weak legs may be one of the earliest signs of age-related muscle loss, and it often starts before you feel it. This condition is called sarcopenia, and it creeps in silently. No warning, no pain, until one day you're using your arms to push yourself out of a chair. You're avoiding stairs, or worse, you're afraid of falling. You might be eating healthy and still feel your legs weakening. Why? Because your muscles, nerves, and circulation need very specific nutrients to stay strong, and most seniors are missing them. Today, we'll talk about 3 simple vitamins, backed by science, that can help strengthen your legs fast. And these are often overlooked vitamin C, vitamin E, and most crucial, vitamin D. Each one plays a unique role in helping your legs move, recover, and stay strong. Stay with me, because these could change everything for seniors over 60. Let's dive in. First up, vitamin C. This is the connector and repair expert. We often think of vitamin C for colds, but did you know it plays a huge role in your legs? Vitamin C helps your body produce collagen, the building block of muscles, tendons, and connective tissue. Imagine your muscles as a house. Without vitamin C, the bricks can't hold together. Vitamin C benefits after 60, and here is why. It matters for joint strength and recovery. It improves muscle healing, strengthens connective tissue, and reduces inflammation and soreness. You can get it from citrus fruits like oranges and lemons, bell peppers, broccoli, strawberries, or through supplements if your diet is low in it. Pair it with vitamin E to supercharge muscle repair and reduce fatigue. Second, we have vitamin E, the powerful circulation booster. Think of vitamin E as your muscle's bodyguard. It fights off inflammation and boosts blood flow, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach your leg muscles when you need them most. Better circulation means faster recovery, less stiffness, and greater endurance. Here's how to get it. Enjoy nuts like almonds, seeds such as sunflower and pumpkin, and leafy greens like spinach. You can also take supplements. 100 to 200 AU daily is considered safe for most seniors. Here is a bonus tip. Combine it with vitamin C for enhanced antioxidant power. And we're about to talk about why that's a game changer. Third, vitamin D, the muscle rebuilder. This is the most crucial vitamin for seniors over 60. Vitamin D is more than just the sunshine vitamin. It's the muscle repair powerhouse, vital for helping your body build and maintain strong muscle fibers. It is crucial for muscle strength, improved balance, and calcium absorption, supporting bone health to help prevent falls and leg weakness. In fact, studies show that seniors with low vitamin D levels are more likely to suffer from falls due to weak lower body strength. Here's how to get it. Aim for 15 to 30 minutes of sunlight a day when possible. Enjoy fatty fish like salmon or mackerel, and include fortified foods such as cereals and dairy in your diet. You can also take D3 supplements around 800 to 2,000 IU per day is typical and safe for most seniors. Here is a pro tip. Take it with a meal containing fat, like eggs or avocado toast. Vitamin D needs fat to be absorbed properly. Here's how to combine these 3 vitamins for maximum leg strength. Morning. Take vitamin D with your breakfast, especially if it includes healthy fats. Mid-morning or lunch, take vitamin C, fresh juice, or a supplement works. It's water-soluble, so you can take it on an empty stomach if needed. Main meal or dinner, take vitamin E, with a meal that includes oil or nuts for proper absorption. And don't forget, stay hydrated. Dehydration affects muscle function. Add light movement like chair squats, resistance bands, and gentle walking. These amplify the benefits of the vitamins and activate your muscle tissue. You don't need a gym membership or intense workouts to feel stronger. Sometimes, the right nutrients are the missing piece your body has been waiting for. By adding vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin C into your daily routine, you're giving your legs the tools they need to rebuild, stabilize, and support you. Before starting any supplement, talk to your healthcare provider, especially if you're taking medications. But remember this, it's never too late to regain strength. It's never too late to stand taller, walk farther, and feel confident again. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more senior wellness tips. Now that you know the 3 key vitamins for stronger legs, it's time to put that strength to work. Watch our next video. Every senior over 60 must do these 3 exercises before it's too late, and discover simple moves that can protect your independence and mobility for years to come. Click now, you don't want to miss it. Let's stay strong, one step at a time. See you in the next video.